Welcome to How-FixIT, and this video will show you how to replace main camera on iPhone 11 Pro. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 11 Pro: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, suction cup for removing display, tweezers, plastic opening tool, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video you will find links where to buy all these tools and replacement parts for iPhone 11 Pro. Turn off the iPhone. Then, near the charging port, remove two screws with a 0.8mm pentalobe screwdriver. Next, take a hairdryer and heat up the display surface. The required heating temperature is 60 or 70 degrees Celsius. The maximum is 80 degrees. Fix the suction cup on the bottom of the display. Then, take a thin plastic mediator. Pull the suction cup ring up and begin to disconnect the display from the iPhone case. Open the iPhone 11 Pro by turning the display to the right side, like a book. Hold the display or place something behind the display, then remove two screws on the small panel and 6 screws on the large panel. First, disconnect the battery cable, after 3 cables from the display. Replacing the rear camera on iPhone 11 Pro is quite simple repair process. First, unscrew 4 screws on the metal panel and then remove it. Now disconnect 3 cables of the camera, one of which is hidden under the cable. Pry the camera on the side and remove it from the iPhone case. In the description I leave link where to buy new camera for iPhone 11 Pro. Now begin to the assembly and installation of the camera. Connect 3 cables to mainboard and do not forget about the cable which is hidden under another cable. Install metal panel and fasten 4 screws. That's it. The iPhone is assembled, and now you can connect the display and check how new camera works. To test the iPhone 11 Pro, just connect 3 cables from the display and after the battery cable. Turn the display over and turn on iPhone. Make sure the smartphone is working correctly, check all the function, and if everything works fine, you can begin to the final assembly with restoration of protection against water and dust. Remove the silicone tape from the case of iPhone. Now you can wipe the case with isopropyl alcohol. This is not necessary, but it certainly will not be superfluous. Take the adhesive waterproof tape, but before sticking it on the iPhone case, make sure to glue it with the right position on the case. This silicone adhesive tape restores protection against water and dust, but it doesn't provide 100% protection for your smartphone from water. Press the sticker down so it sticks better to the case. If you don't have such a sticker, in the description under the video you find link where to buy it. Now let's connect the display module. First, connect 3 display cables to the mainboard and only then connect the battery cable. Install the panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the iPhone case. It remains fastened to screws near the lightning port and you can turn on your smartphone. So I hope this video was useful for you and I helped restore your iPhone 11 Pro. See you soon on How-FixIT.